Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube Anjanaya Maths channel. Myself Professor Gurpade. In today's class, we are going to study the construction of truth tables for the given statement patterns, the meaning of tautology, the meaning of contradiction, the meaning of contingency. So let us begin with the construction of the truth tables for a given statement pattern. So the question is like this: construct the truth table for the following statement patterns. So the first statement pattern is P implication, Q implication, P. P conditional, Q conditional, P. So if you see this statement pattern, in this statement pattern, only two statement letters are present. One is P, another is a Q. The truth table is as follows. Statement P, statement Q, then the implication of Q and P is there. So Q implication P, and finally that P implies Q implication P. So as there are two statement letters P and Q, each statement letter consisting of four truth values. Say for P, first two are true, next two are false. For the statement Q, T, F, alternatively you have to write begins with a T, T, F, T, F. Now Q implies P. See, in a conditional statement, the conditional statement is false if first is true, second is false. In all the cases it is a true. So while in condition, specifically in conditional statement, you have to follow the order property, that is from Q to P, Q to P. So T conditional T, it is true. F conditional T, it is also true. T conditional F, first is true, second is false, then it is false. And F conditional F, it is what? True. Then come to P conditional Q conditional P. You have to apply this P conditional to Q conditional P. So this and this. So T conditional T, it is T. T conditional T, it is also T. F conditional F, it is T. And F conditional T, it is also T. So this is the truth table of the given statement pattern P conditional Q conditional P. So the second statement pattern is negation of P disjunction Q, biconditional, negation of P conjunction Q. Again, in this statement pattern, the two statement letters are present. One is P, another is what? Q. So the truth table is as follows. So P statement Q, then negation of P is there. Say negation of P. So the truth value P is true, there is negation is false. Negation of T is false. Negation of false is true. Negation of false is true. Then you have to take the disjunction of what? Negation of P and Q. This is the negation of P and Q. You have to take the disjunction of these two statement letters. Okay. So negation of P, disjunction Q. So the disjunction is true if both the statements are true, or if any one of the two statement is true, even then the disjunction is true. So T disjunction F is true. F disjunction F is F. T disjunction T is T. F disjunction T is also T. Then you have to take the negation of P conjunction Q. First you have to take the P conjunction Q. Conjunction of P and Q. The conjunction is true if both are true, and in all other cases it is what? False. So T conjunction T, it is T. T conjunction F, it is F. F conjunction T is F. F conjunction F is also F. Then come to the negation of P conjunction Q. Say negation of P conjunction Q. So you have to take the negation of all the truth values of P conjunction Q. The negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. Negation of F is T. Negation of F is a T. So finally the statement pattern, negation of P disjunction Q by condition negation of P conjunction Q. That means you have to take the by condition of what? These two columns. So negation of P disjunction Q is here, and negation of P conjunction is Q is here. So in between these two statements, you have to take the biconditional. So the bicondition is true if both are true or both are false, and in all the cases it is a false. So T bicondition F, it is F. F bicondition T is also F. T bicondition T is T. T bicondition T is also T. So this is the truth table of the given statement pattern, negation of P disjunction Q, biconditional, negation of P conjunction Q. Next statement pattern is what? Negation of P conjunction, negation of Q disjunction Q. Again, if you see this statement pattern carefully, in this statement pattern only two statement letters are used. One is P, another is a Q. Therefore, each statement letter consisting of four truth values. Say statement P, TTFF, statement Q, TFTF. Then the negation of P is there, negation of Q is there. Say first upon our right, negation of P. Negation of T is F. Negation of T is also F. Negation of F is T. Negation of F is what? T. Then take the negation of Q. So negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. Negation of T is F. Negation of F is a T. So then you have to take the conjunction between negation of P and negation of Q. So this is negation of P, this is negation of Q. In between these two, you have to take the conjunction. So the conjunction is true only when both are true, and it is false in all other cases. So you have say negation of P, conjunction, negation of Q. So F conjunction F is false. F conjunction T is also false. T conjunction F is false. T conjunction T is what? T. So then next is what? Negation of P conjunction, negation of Q. You have to take the negation of this statement, negation of P conjunction, negation of Q. Say negation of P conjunction, negation of Q. So right. So the negation of F is T. Negation of F is also T. Negation of F is T. Negation of T is what? F. Then last is the given statement pattern. So negation of P conjunction, negation of Q, disjunction Q. Now you have to take the disjunction between what? This statement and the statement Q. So you have to take the disjunction between this and this column, right? So the disjunction is true if both are true or any one of the given two statement is true. Say, so T T disjunction T is T. F disjunction T is T. T disjunction T is also T. And F disjunction F is what? F. This is the truth table for the given statement pattern. Negation of P conjunction negation of Q disjunction Q. Take the next statement pattern as P conjunction Q disjunction R conjunction negation of R disjunction P conjunction Q. The truth table is as follows. See, in this statement, if we see the statement letters, so how many statement letters are there? One is P, another is Q, another is what? R. That means the three statement letters are there. So while writing the truth values for each statement letter, if there are 3 statement letters are present, each statement letter consisting of what? 8 truth values. This is the statement P. This is the statement Q. This is the statement R. So while writing the truth values of statement P, you write first 4 are true, next 4 are what? False. Then while writing the truth values of the statement letter Q, you would write first 2 are true, next 2 are what? False. So like that alternatively you would write. So T T F F. Then while writing the truth values of the statement letter R, alternatively you would write T F T F. Say T F T F T F T F. Okay, so statement letter P, Q and R. Then take the conjunction of P and Q. So P conjunction Q, the conjunction of these 2 columns. The conjunction is true if both are true and it falls in all other cases. Say T T, it is T. T T, it is also T. T F F, T F F, F T F, F T F, F F F, F F F. Then take the disjunction of P conjunction Q and R. So disjunction of these 2 columns. Disjunction is true if any one of the 2 statement is true or both are true. Say T disjunction T is T, F T T, T F T, F F F, T F T, F F F, T F T, F F F. Then say negation of R is there. Say negation of R. So the negation of T is F, negation of F is T, negation of T is F, negation of F is T, negation of T is F, negation of F is T, negation of T is F, and negation of F is what? T. Then what? Negation of our disjunction P conjunction Q. So negation of R disjunction P conjunction Q. Right? So the disjunction between P conjunction Q and negation of R. So the disjunction is true if any one of the 2 statement is true or both are true. Say T disjunction F is T, T T is T, F F is F, F T it is T, F F it is F, F T it is T, F F it is F, and F T it is a T. Then finally the conjunction between these two statements. Say P conjunction Q, disjunction R, conjunction negation of R, P conjunction Q. So the conjunction between what? Conjunction between these two statements. So the conjunction is true if both are true and it falls in all the cases. So TT, it is T, TT, it is T, TF, it is F, FT, it is F, TF, it is F, FT, it is F, TF, it is F, and FT, it is a F. So this is the truth table for the given statement pattern. Remember, if there are three statement letters P, Q, and R, then every statement letter consisting of 8 truth values. So for P, you would write first 4 are true, next 4 are false. For Q, you would write first 2 are true, next 2 are false. Alternately, you would write, and for the statement letter R, you would write TF, TF alternatively. This is the truth table. Now the next statement pattern is what? Negation of P, disjunction Q, conjunction Q, conditional R, conditional P, conditional R. Again, in this statement pattern, there are three statement letters. One is P, another is Q, another is what? R. So the truth values of P, Q, and R like this. Next, I'm going to consider. So first, negation of P. Write down the truth values of negation of P. Negation of T is F. Negation of T is also F. Negation of T is F. Negation of T is F. Negation of F, T, F, T, F, T, F, T. Then in between negation of P and Q, disjunction is there. In between these two columns, disjunction is there. Say negation of P, disjunction Q. Disjunction is true if both are true or if any one of the two statement is true. Say TF, it is T, TF is T, FF, it is F, FF, F, TT, it is T, TT, T, FT, T, and FT, T. So then take Q conditional R, Q conditional R. So in specifically conditional, the conditional is false if first is true, second is false, and all other cases it is not true. So from Q to R is there. So TT, it is T, TF, it is false, FT, it is T, F, it is also T, TT, it is T, TF, it is false, FT, it is T, FF, it is T. Then the conjunction between these two statements. So negation of P, disjunction Q, conjunction Q implies R. So then conjunction between these two statements, conjunction is true if both are true and all the cases it is false. So TT, it is T, TF, F, FT, F, FT, F, TT, it is T, TF, F, TT, it is T, TT, T. Then finally, P conditional R, P conditional R. So in between P and R, the condition is there. TT, it is T, TF, it is F, TT, it is T, then TF, it is F, Ft, it is T, Ff, it is T, Ft, it is T, and Ff, it is T. And finally, the condition, so I will take this is a column number 1 and say column number 2. So in between 1 and 2, the condition is there. So again the condition is false. If first is true, second is false, and in all cases it is true. So Tt, it is T, Ff, T, Ft, T, Ff, T, Tt, it is T, Ft, T, Tt, it is T, Tt, T. So this is the truth table for the given statement pattern. Tautology, the meaning is what? A statement which is always true, or a statement whose all the truth values are T is known as a tautology. For example, say Q conditional P, disjunction negation of P by conditional Q. So let us construct the truth table. So the statement letters are P and Q. So the truth values are Tt, F, F. Then the truth value of the statement letter Q, T, F, T, F. Then in between Q and P, the condition is there, Q conditional P. So you have to see the truth value is from Q to P. The condition is false if first is true, second is false, and in all the cases it is true. So T conditional T is T, F conditional T is T, T conditional F is F, F conditional F is what? T. Then negation of P. So negation of T is false, negation of T is false, negation of false is T, negation of false is T. Then in between Q and negation of P, the biconditional is there. Say negation of P, biconditional Q. The biconditional is true only when both are true or both are false, and in all the cases it is a false. So this is negation of P, biconditional Q. So you have to take the biconditional between these two statements. So Ft, it is F, Ft, I mean Ff, it is T, Tt, it is T, and Tf is what? F. Now you have to take the disjunction between Q conditional P and negation of P by conditional Q. So Q so the last column Q condition P, disjunction, negation of P by conditional Q. So you have to take the disjunction between these two columns. The disjunction is true if both are true or any one of the two statement is true. So T disjunction F is T, T disjunction T is T, F disjunction T is T, T disjunction F is T. See, a statement which is always true or a statement whose all the truth values are true. So such a statement is known as a tautology. So from last column, all the truth values are T. Therefore, given negation of P by conditional Q is a tautology. So like this you have to answer. So next consider the contradiction. What is the meaning of contradiction? A statement which is always false, or a statement whose all the truth values are false is known as a contradiction. So for example, negation of Q, conjunction P, conjunction Q. So P whose truth values are T, T, F, F. Q truth values are T, F, T, F. So negation of Q. So negation of Q, negation of T is F, negation of F is T, negation of T is F, negation of F is T. Then you have to take the conjunction between what? Negation of Q and the P. So the conjunction is true if both are true, and it falls in all the cases. So T F F, T T T, so F F F, F T F. Then the conjunction between negation of Q, conjunction P and Q. You have to take the conjunction between these two statements. The conjunction is true if both are true, and it falls in all the cases. So T conjunction F is F, F conjunction T is F, T conjunction F is F, F conjunction F is F. See, if you see the truth values of all the truth values of the given statement pattern, they are what? Are false. Each truth value is a false. So from last column, all the truth values are F. Therefore, given statement pattern, negation of Q, conjunction P, conjunction Q is a contradiction. If all the truth values are false, then the statement is known as a contradiction. Next is a contingency. How it is defined? A statement which is neither tautology nor contradiction is known as a contingency. For example, the statement pattern is what? P disjunction Q, conjunction negation of P. So the truth values of P are T, T, F, F. Q are T, F, T, F. Negation of P or negation of T is F. Negation of T is F. Negation of F is T. Negation of F is T. Then the disjunction between P and Q. The disjunction is true if both are true or any one of the statement is true, and all the cases it is false. So T disjunction T is T. T disjunction F is T. F disjunction T is T. F disjunction F is what? F. Then take the conjunction between what? Negation of P and P disjunction Q. The conjunction is true if both are true, and in all other cases it is false. Say F conjunction T is F, F conjunction T is F, T conjunction T is T, and T conjunction F is F. See, if you observe the truth values of the given statement pattern, it is neither tautology nor contradiction. Means what? Neither all the truth values are not T, or all the truth values are not F. So it is a combination of T and F. So therefore this statement is neither tautology nor contradiction. So from the last column, the given statement is neither tautology nor contradiction. Therefore the given statement pattern P disjunction Q, conjunction negation of P is the contingency. So this is the meaning of what? A contingency. So in today's class, we have seen that how to construct the truth table for a given statement pattern. What is the meaning of tautology? What is the meaning of contradiction? What is the meaning of contingency? If you like this video, you like it, share it, subscribe the video, and give the comments on today's video.